Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video. A very warm welcome to another video of mine. Well, first let me request to y'all that never in your life take a trade based on my videos, based on my predictions about the stock market. Well, today I'm gonna talk about the stock markets. I'm not gonna speak about a particular stock market. I'm gonna speak about generally about stock markets of the world. Well, since 2 days I have been receiving a lot of messages and they are asking me whether the fall which we are seeing in the stock market is a correction or not, which we are seeing in most of the stock markets of this world, whether it is a correction or not. You know, if a stock market declines more than 10%, it is called a correction. The correction which everyone is waiting for has started or not. This is the question which I have received from many of my followers. I'd like to categorically state that most of the stock markets of this world, which are seeing a decline, which are seeing a fall at this juncture, this isn't a correction. By no means I see them markets of the world, the stock markets of the world correcting at this point in time. I'd say that this is a false alarm. Though the stock markets might be warning you at this juncture, they might be telling you that a correction is imminent. But I want to tell you all that this isn't a correction. The markets are gonna bounce back. Mark my words, the stock markets are gonna bounce back after a minor decline. Well, until and unless a stock market corrects 15 to 20%, I wouldn't call that a correction. But at this point in time, I don't see the stock markets correcting significantly at this point in time. Well, I'd like to repeat that I'm not talking about any particular stock market. I'm talking about the stock markets in general, about the world stock markets. And I want to tell you all one more thing, that I don't see a correction in the stock markets in the month of January 2024. Although people might be saying that the correction has started, the correction which people were waiting for has finally arrived. But I don't see any indications of the stock markets falling 15 to 20% at this juncture. As you all know, I use astrology and numerology to predict about the stock markets. I don't use any other tool to predict about the stock markets. And by my calculation, I don't see a correction at this point in time. I don't see a major fall in the stock markets at this juncture. At least not in the month of January 2024. Well, it's difficult to reply to each and every person who has messaged me, and I have received more than 400 messages. Hence, I am making this video to inform you all what my views are about the world stock markets at this point in time. Well, this is all I wanted to tell you all about the world stock markets, and here I want to end my video. जय माता दी, जय मां काली।